All right. Good morning, everyone. Today is March 15th, Thursday. May 15th, sorry. May 15th, Thursday. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. This will be a short one. Market is not doing too well this morning. Let's see here. We are down Nasdaq 0.6%, Dow 0.3, S&P 0.3. We go to so the news today is some stocks here. United Health plunged after criminal probe, and Core with IPO tumbled after earnings report. So there's some, but the main news today is the Fed Chair Powell remarked about higher rates real rates may reflect the possibility that inflation could be more volatile going forward in the inter-crisis period than the inter-crisis period of 2010s. We may be entering a period of more frequent and potentially more persistent supply shock, a difficult challenge for the economy and central banks. We also have the producer price index drop 0.5%. This is far below the 0.2% rise, so this is good. Good. Um, Core inflation declined 0.4% with year-over-year still at 3.1. It was expected to increase. So again, producer price index decreasing. We have U.S. retail sales here rose 0.1%, also meeting estimates. So excluding automobile sales rose 0.1%, also, but it's below the 0.3% estimate. So overall, there's some negative here this morning, and again, market is kind of a little bit over um, extended right here, right? So yesterday we talked about that. It was able to close green again, but the move is starting to look like it's starting to stall a little bit. Like, and then today we give back a little bit. It's common for it to give back. We talk about this here and this here. So so when you think, yesterday I draw this. Where's the level of pullback right here? So we haven't, like I say, this is a much bigger gap right now, and so it's normal to see a pullback. The 10-day moving average is just really strong, 45-degree angle. So even if we pull back to here, it will still seem normal. So just kind of expect that if that happens. In terms of growth stocks today, stocks in the move, we're not seeing too much action today. So a lot of growth stocks are down today. Yeah, a lot of red. When I look at my portfolio, a lot of red. So whether they can bounce back today, that's another question. We'll watch for that. But yeah, lots of red today. Lots of, especially stocks that have been moving hard, has been you know has been going down today. So for example, I'll just show you one stock here that is down. HIMS. Look at this one, pulling back really strong. Um, come down here, 5-minute chart. So I usually have different stop levels. So this is one stop level, and it got triggered this morning. And then after that, you can see it just keep tumbling. So I had to sell some. So yeah, look at how fast it comes down, right? And this is what happens, when stocks get extended really much. If you're trying to buy here, right? It's so far extended that when it's easy for it to pull back. It might not come all the way back to 10-day, or it might not. But my point is, like, you have lots of risk here at this level. So when stocks get too extended, always like ask yourself, is it worth the reward risk level? If it's not, then, like, just wait, just be patient. There's gonna be days like today, and it will give you opportunity to get into stocks like this. And I don't usually buy on a down day, but if it does bounce back and close midway, that will give me a good sign. Like, I'll be looking for a bottom somewhere and like a bounce back like more than halfway. that will give me at least some cushion, right? If I put my stop here, if I buy it. So that's another thing, like, do you find support at some level, right? Of course, tomorrow it can go down again, but at least, that's why you also need to manage your risk. Anyhow, I just want to throw this as an example today. There's other stocks that are also down a little bit more than usual, because like I said, most growth stocks are extended. When they do pull back, they can pull back really fast. So because everyone's trying to take profit at the same time, right? So yeah, so that's that. Let's go back to the stocks on the move. Berg, it's not the it, it's kind of extended right now. Like, I mean, I don't know, it's up many days now, like seventh day. So it's still in the base though. So technically this could be a buy um because of that, like, because it's still in the base. It's coming back really strong. Um yeah, I'm watching today's action. Looks pretty good so far. Like, look, it found a support level. So this could be a stop. Um yeah. And then let's keep going because I only have a few minutes left. Excel doesn't have strongest earning. Eton, okay, Eton is a new name on stocks in the move. Eton Pharmaceutical. It has a huge gap up and then it reversed yesterday, and you can see this gap up and reverse, like big reversal. It stopped everyone out if you have like a stop around this level, right? So um pretty crazy pullback. Like, again, this is under $20 stock, very volatile. This morning you can see it bounced back really quick. Like, it went down even further, but it bounced back really good. It tested its low. I don't know if it went below it, but anyhow. So this looks like a good bounce today. I did take a small position in it. We'll see if this will work after, because like shakeouts like this, usually most people don't want to trade it after because they're like, oh man, this doesn't work, right? But actually, usually after the shakeout, it works. So anyhow, I just took a half size position to see if it works. Let's keep going here. There's some gold stocks again. Gold is kind of weak lately. I think they're still mostly in a downtrend now. And yeah, Tigo, Tigo, it's bouncing. It's bouncing back, like, after this one. Again, this is another one. Earnings drop here, and then it went all the way back up. This is the opposite. Instead of going up, it came back down. This one went down and came back up. So either way, it is finding support now, and it's starting to go again. So it looks pretty good. Let me see what other stocks I have here. I don't have time to go through all of them. Feel free to look at them. SAP. So SAP, I'm watching this closely because it's been pulling back quite a bit, and you can see this sharp pullback right here. Today it's a nice. It didn't gap down, and also it's staying high. Like right now, this looks like a good support level. I might get in soon. So yeah, so that's a good one. Let's see what else here. Work we talk about GE. It's still strong. HWM. Eton, we talk about HCA, it's still going. It's not the strongest, but it's going. Not many stocks today that or stocks on the move are have strong earnings. So that's that. Anyhow, short stream today. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe. And yeah, have a good day trading. Thank you.